Good morning and welcome back. Hope you enjoyed your Labor Day. Coming back to the market this Tuesday. And it looks like the market is gapping down yet again. We've got another down day with the Dow down, pre-market 220, NASDAQ pulling back 350 points, and S&P 500 just shy of 50 points. We're seeing a huge pullback in stocks like Apple, down $6 pre-market, as well as Tesla. For all of you who have been chasing this stock all the way up at 500, especially for all those people who bought it through the public offering for that IPO, excuse me, for that public offering for 500, you're literally seeing a 150 point pullback from the all-time highs. That's huge losses, especially if you were chasing it up here. Not the best idea. Definitely not the best idea. One thing I wanted to talk about this morning was we're seeing huge pullbacks in the price of gold, and if gold breaks 1900, we're going to see a huge collapse in the price of gold. The reason being is, if you're looking back at the charts, right? Again, the previous high from back in 2011, we see that gold was around 1900, which is why gold is holding 1900s, because it's a previous high, and that's basically our support. Our next support is way down here at about 1550. We got a hard support back here at 1550 gold. If gold collapses below 1900, which it really looks like it's going to, looking at the chart, I've been watching gold all night and I was shocked to see how much has come down, but we've seen a lot of selling going on in gold. For all those people who are pumping it up, talking about Warren Buffett buying gold, misleading people, knowing full well that he wasn't buying gold, and you're seeing people sell into the rallies. It's these huge red candlesticks. We're going to have to wait and see. If gold breaks 1900, we could see a collapse in the price of gold. Not only that, we're seeing huge pullbacks, like I said, in Apple, and for the market in terms of the Dow, we could see a bounce, which is what you want to look for. You want to look for a bounce 27.5, where we peaked back in June, and then we finally rallied and pushed through. We saw a little bit of a retest right here, another retest that we had from Friday. We're gonna have to wait and see where the market opens up today. I would look for a bounce at about 27.5, just about here. And our next support level is way down here, 25K. So if we get a roll through, if we get a rollover that pushes us below a close of 27.5, look out below.